Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Savana on your PC in 2026. Whether you're using it for AI tools, productivity, or managing your projects, getting started on a computer is simple. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your PC and visit the official Savana website. If Savana offers a desktop application, download and install the latest version from the official website instead. Next, sign in to your Savana account using your email and password, or use Google, Apple, or another supported sign-in method if available. Once you're logged in, take a moment to explore the dashboard. Yeah, this is where you'll find your projects, settings, and the main tools available on the platform. Now create a new project or open an existing one. Depending on the version you're using, you can enter prompts, upload files, or access different features directly from your workspace. Finally, save your work regularly and explore the settings to customize your experience. Keeping your browser or desktop app updated will also help you get the latest features and performance improvements. And that's it. You now know how to use Savana on your PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.